Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing very well wherever you are. So I had a chance to go to a different state, Baden-Württemberg. My current state is where I live. It is Nordrhein-Westfalen, and it is in north of the Germany. And this state where I'm going to, it is in the south of Germany. So I thought I will make a travel vlog and I will share with you that how this state looks like. Every state has its unique quality in Germany, and Baden-Württemberg is very rich state. It has very good economy. So if you're planning to move to Germany, you can consider Bavaria and Baden-Württemberg. These two states have very low unemployment rate, and they are very rich, and their schools, education, everything is very good. Though I believe that wherever you find a job, you have to move to that state, and it is okay wherever you live. That is for me, that is a paradise, right? So yes, this Baden-Württemberg is also a very beautiful state. It has a famous Black Forest, and it has boundaries with Switzerland, and Austria is for Bavaria states joins. But where I am going to, that city, Ulm, in that city also it shares its border with Austria. And as you can see, it is so green. Actually, it is a little bit while ago when I traveled, because this is still green. Right now it is autumn going on, so now the trees have changed totally its color, yellow, pink, orange. So this is the small place where I'm going to. It is called Bad Ditzenbach, and I booked a hotel because it was very clean, and I take care that they assured me that they will take care of because of Corona, they will take care of all the hygiene measures. And they are very strict about it. So authorities closed down those hotels where they who are not following the proper measures. So they are very strict about it, and with kids it was important for me. Look, you can see the villages are so properly well maintained. So we have arrived now at the hotel, and hotel was just a casual hotel, like very straightforward, not very sophisticated or something. But restaurant was so nice, here food was so good. As you can see, the decor is very simple and still very efficient and very nice. Very cozy rooms were there. Staff was very helpful, very friendly staff. So that is what I like about things, that if the staff is friendly, then I don't look about the so many show off or show pieces. Main thing is that it should be convenient for us as a family, and it was. Food was really very great. We got free breakfast, and it was a very small village where it is. They also have the swing machines like this. This was just the lounge, and like for a lobby of this. This is the view from my balcony, and this is the room. Kids also had the same room. Means this was me and my husband room, and for kids we have booked a separate room. like it is an obligation also that kids have to stay in a separate room if they are teenagers, like above 12, and below 12 they can still stay with in the parents room, but the room should have to be bigger. This was the food storage area there for the farmhouse, where you can see a small hut. So we love coming to such calm and relaxing places. We don't like going to very loud and noisy happening areas. My husband just wants some peace and some break from the day-to-day activities. He has a lot of workload, so for break we like coming to such places where there is not much people around and not so much noise. So this is the view from of the whole village, Bad Ditzenbach, and there is also hill there, and this hill is 754 meter high, and these are the creatures which we can find there in this forest. Like on the hill there was so many flora and fauna, all the types of plant, trees and animals. And this is an overview of the whole village we can see from the hill. And there is a ruins of a castle and some small cannon. So there is a small cannon also here, and there is again the panoramic view of the whole village. We were on the top of the hill, and from there we can see the other areas. I hope you liked my today's video. Please hit the like button if you did, and please write to me in the comment box your opinions, your suggestions. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.